Midnight Cowboy. Same key as it is on the movie. So just to remind you, it's played on a chromatic in the movie by Toots Thielemans, I believe, so with a bit of vibrato on each note. So here it is on the diatonic, and we're using a key of C diatonic, a marine band, customised by Richard Slay. Got the keys that it plays in on the side there. That's just my personal way of doing it. So to play it in the right key of the movie, we're going to need to start on 4 draw, I think it is. Yeah. Let me play the tune around a couple of times, and you can join in if you like, and then we'll break it down. Okay, so to break down, the first 4 notes are easy. 4 draw, play that with me. 4 blow, 3 draw. The last one can either be 3 blow or 2 draw, it's the same note. That was 2 draw, gives it more of a bluesy feel, or if you want more of a straight feel, use the 3 blow. That was with the 3 blow. Now the next 4 notes are da, 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 da. Really tricky to pitch these, so easier when you're playing it with the backing track, with the theme tune, with someone on another instrument. So let me just get it in context. So it's 3 draw with a single bend. Da. Next note is 3 draw with a double bend, so bend it down 2 steps. And then you can do a... Oh, that sounded out of pitch, didn't it? Let me put it in context so it'll sound right. So you've got 3 draw single bend, 3 draw double bend, 3 blow, or you could have 2 draw, and then 2 draw double bend. Three draw single bend, double bend, blow, 2 draw double bend, again 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, 3 blow, 3 draw single bend, 3 draw double bend, 3 blow, 2 draw double bend. So this is a pretty good exercise, apart from being a great tune, pretty good exercise in being very accurate with your note bending. And if you're a blues player and you want to be really accurate with your blues playing, make it sound just bang on rather than just scruffy, don't know what you're doing, then really work on these bends. And here's a great way to work on these bends. Da, 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 da. Another tune I came across the other day is Ruby Gentry. If you want to try and work on your note bending skills and really accurate, see if you can find a copy of Ruby Gentry, the theme tune. It's on YouTube. Try and play that on the diatonic. That will give you a bit of a workout. Okay, I'll leave you there and we'll see you again.